unboxing of this meal plan, Metabolic Meals, gluten-free, fresh, healthy delivery, and keto on the channel. In this box, I have keto meals that are macro balanced, and I believe it's 3 meals a day for 7 days, and I'm reviewing this company. So what I'm gonna do today is I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still here. I was on vacation for a week, so didn't post last week, but I'm here now, and we are going to open this box that was delivered right to my door, see what's in it. And then each day I will make a video clip of the meals, and I will have a follow-up video next week. Super excited. As my grandson would say, let's get to it. I know a lot of other meal plans that I've heard about aren't really keto or anything, and this one claims to be everything. I also got my glycemic finger pokes, my glucose pokes, and my ketone pokes, so I can keep track of everything. So I'm super excited. We're gonna do this review really good and really official. Okay, so in the box we have keto recommended vegetables. So they give you a little paper that tells you great keto vegetables and their carb rate. Wow, that's fantastic. I'm gonna stick that on my refrigerator. So we have a nice insulated box here, just making room on my counter. And this is a one-take video. I'm not gonna edit it. It's just gonna go straight on YouTube because that's the quickest way I can get it up for you guys. Don't worry, one day you'll get a really good edited video. Oh, new merch. I launched new merch. I don't know if you can see it. I'll link in the description, my link to Teespring. Everybody loves this shirt. Cracks me up. It says Keto Shark. Doo, doo, doo. However that song goes. Okay, lots of bubble wrap. We'll just toss it on the floor. All right. We have almond oil. I've not tried almond oil. This is going to be fun. We have avocado oil. Look at that. Everything's nice and cold. I'm excited. We have fat packs from Cave Shake. Love these, love these, love these. Ugh. I'm getting really excited now. Oh my God, this is so cool. Look at how the meals come. I'm guessing we can just heat these up in the microwave or the oven. Wow. So this is grass-fed beef, chicken, free-range turkey. Wow, this is really cool. So we have this one. We have this one. What is this? I'll go over each meal individually during the week when we're doing it. What is that though? I can't tell. It probably says somewhere. Looks, oh wait. Stop it. Cookies. These are cookies. Oh my gosh. Fat packs and cookies. Another meal. Same meal for every day. It's fine by me if it is. It's got everything written on the front, how many carbs are in it, how many fats, fibers. Oh, this is great. Then we have a bottle of hemp oil. Wow. Hemp seed oil. That's really cool. I wasn't expecting this. So I will read all through this, and I was told that all of this can go in the refrigerator and it'll stay fresh for the full 7 days. Yeah, I am super excited. I am super excited. We've got lots of ice packs. Got everything in here. Looks like it. Well, you guys, I'm super excited to be doing this review. And you know what? If any of you guys, let me move this box. Ugh. If any of you guys have a busy life and sometimes it's just too hard to focus on making keto meals, you can definitely do this. If you are starting keto and you're not sure how to eat or what to eat, kick your week off right. If you are in keto and need a kickstart, there you go. Everything balanced, get you right back on track. I am so super excited. Thanks for watching and stay tuned because a better video is coming up soon. Boop, boop.